How to change bank on M1 Finance. To change your linked bank account on M1 Finance, follow these steps. Log into your M1 Finance account and go to the Account and Settings section to manage bank details. Locate the existing linked bank account and follow the prompts to remove it from your M1 account. Choose the option to add a new bank account and select a connection method, such as Plaid or manual setup. If using Plaid, log in securely with your bank credentials to connect your new bank account instantly. For manual setup, provide your bank details and wait for small verification deposits from M1 Finance. Check your new bank account for the deposits and note the exact amounts sent by M1 Finance for verification. Enter the deposit amounts in your M1 Finance account to verify and finalize the new bank connection. Confirm that your new bank account is now linked and ensure all transfers and settings are updated. Thanks for watching.